Cassie Carvalho, Angge Poyos, and Sai Segula. Your thoughts about this victory? Casey.
Medyo mabigat yung bakbakan. Ever since naman, hindi naman nawawala yung old rivalry ng UST at ng FE. So, pinagandaan namin ito, siyempre, high respect dun sa team ng FE. Yun na nga, ini-expect namin itong ganitong bakbakan. So, luckily, nakabalik kami dun sa sistema na meron kami at pinanghawakan naman ng mga player namin. Kahit alam namin na hirap na first two sets talaga. Hinahanap nila yung rhythm na kung anong meron kami ng third, fourth, and fifth.
Thank you, Coach. To Angge Poyos, he had 21 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 service ace, 5 digs, and 5 excellent receptions. Another solid game for you. Ano masasabi mo na down from 2 sets, hindi kayo bumigay at nandun pa rin yung energy niya sa laro?
Sobrang saya kasi nung first 2 sets talagang off kami. Saya lang kasi bumawi kami at tinrabaho namin lahat hanggang ayun, baliktad lang yung nangyari sa result. Kami naman yung nag-comeback ngayon. And ayun, nagtrabaho lang kami lahat, nag-contribute lahat and sobrang saya.
Thank you. Besides that, you have 12 attacks, 1 service ace, 6 digs, and 6 excellent receptions. So, good game for you. So, ano masasabi mo na medyo grabe yung hinabol nyo this game para manatili kayong perfect this season?
Hindi naman so perfect. Pero, yun po, tinay lang po namin makabawi agad yung grit namin tsaka aggressiveness sa court. Makikita naman sa first and second set na nawala talaga, parang seryoso lahat. Nawala yung enjoyment sa court. As yun po, binawi ko lang din yung sarili ko po.
Thank you. And to Cassie, you had 25 excellent sets, 5 service aces, and 3 attacks. So, ano sinabi mo sa mga girls despite being down 0-2 sa sets?
First of all po, sobrang thankful din ako na dyan sila for me. Kasi nung first and second set talagang medyo nawawala ako kasi parang hindi ko, ang tagal ko uminit kumbaga. And thankful ako kasi andyan pa rin sila and sinasabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na bumawi ng third, fourth, and fifth set. And thankfully,